In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from PayPal. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, what you're going to want to do first is come across to the official PayPal website and log into your account. So once you've gone ahead and logged in, you'll be taken to a screen like this. Now, at the moment, I've not currently got any funds in my balance. However, if you do have funds available, what it's going to say, instead of add money underneath, this is going to say transfer. So what will happen is if you have money available to withdraw, it's going to look like this and say withdraw money underneath. So what you would do is press onto withdraw money underneath your balance, and then it's going to take you across to a screen like this. Now, what you would do is enter the amount you want to withdraw and choose your account that you want to withdraw to from the list. Of course, your bank needs to be verified, your bank account or your card, in order to do this. So once you've gone ahead and done that, press the blue continue button underneath, and what it's going to do is give you a quick summary, so a quick review of how much is being withdrawn and the account type is going to, and roughly how long it's going to take for that withdrawal to occur. So in this example, you can see I've chosen to withdraw $50, and it's going to take 3 to 5 business days to process and land into my bank account. Once that's done, go ahead and press the blue withdrawal button to confirm your withdrawal, and then you would just simply need to wait the 3 to 5 days or however long it advises for the money to be withdrawn from PayPal to your account. So I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.